G'day guys, over the last couple of years I've bought quite a bit of camera gear. I bought like lenses like the 50mm, the 85mm, the 17 to 40. I bought a drone.
I bought the DJI Mavic SE.
I bought the Rode Wireless Go, the MT USB, heaps of smaller things like harnesses and cages and splitters. I bought the Godox V1, the Godox TT350C, transmitters, receivers.
All sorts of things. Well, what else? Hey, it doesn't matter. Look, the point of this video is to mention something that I think is probably the best purchase, or at least the best investment that I've made over the last couple of years. And it's a really simple thing actually. Like over all the things like lenses and drones and all that stuff, what I'm going to show you is just such a minor component. It almost just doesn't bear thinking about, but it's been really important for me and it might be really good for you too to consider. What I'm talking about are these Peak Design straps. The Peak Design straps with the clip-on attachments. And you have these lugs on your camera and the straps just clip right on. So if you pull this lug out here, you just simply clip the strap on, clip it into this next lug, and then you're all ready to go. The great thing that I really like about this system is the fact that you can take the strap on and off as easily as that and as quickly and as often as you need to. And actually when it comes to straps, I'm pretty regimented about my straps. And you can't convince me otherwise, but I believe strongly that straps are the leading cause of camera damage that there is out there. And tell me if I'm wrong, but how many times have you like picked up your camera and the strap snags on something and pulls the camera out of your hand and it like drops on the ground and you break a lens, or maybe you don't damage it, but all the same, it's like, oh my gosh, my camera just got ripped out of my hand and now it's on the ground. And then other times you like pick up your camera by the strap and the camera will snag on something, or your hand will slip off the strap, or the strap will snag on something and your hand drops off it. If I do have a strap on the camera and I'm moving the camera, what I do is I take the strap and I take the camera. So I've got all of it in one hand, holding it together so there's no risk of anything snagging, because it has happened to me that many times. Like I've broken a speed light, I've broken a lens, I have snagged on that many things and like it's clattered around the place, but without any noticeable damage. And since I've had these Peak Design straps where I can just take them on and off, like I can just simply take it off and I can shoot without a strap. And like I said, I'm quite regimented with my strap protocols. As soon as I get home, the straps come off. When I'm going out to shoot, maybe I'll put the straps on, depends on the situation. Another thing I do have is this Peak Design wrist strap, which is really great too. If you don't want a full strap, you can have this here, and it just gives you that protection when you're carrying your camera around, shooting one hand, whatever the case may be. All right, so that's it. Out of everything I purchased over the last couple of years, that's what I believe is the best purchase. These here, the Peak Design camera straps with their custom clips. Excellent, really nice and easy, stylish, well built, easy to adjust. Mate, if you don't have the system on your cameras, give it a go, get into it. And hey, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.